we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
According to the USDA and U.S. Food and Drug Administration, raw chicken, regardless of if it's whole, in pieces such as breasts, thighs, drumsticks, and wings, or ground, should be stored for no longer than 1 to 2 days in the refrigerator.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.